Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys are watching Online World YouTube channel. So today in this video I am explaining a new free airdrop which was given by Kurgi Dogecoin. So I'll explain how to claim this 1 lakhs of Kurgi Dogecoins. So I'll explain step by step. So please do watch complete video, then only you can understand the process. Before going into the video, please do subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get notification of further upcoming videos. So the thing is that you need to join our Telegram channel where you will get the link for the particular airdrop. So the link of this Telegram channel is given in the description. So my Telegram channel called Crypto Signals Online World, you should join this channel in order to get the link. So I have posted here, as you can see here, claim the Kurgi token now. I have claimed here, as you can see here, 529 rupees of Kurgi Doge tokens I have claimed. So as you can see here, what you need to do is you have to paste this link. I have given a link here, so you have to copy this link, then you have to paste this link in the Trust wallet and connect the wallet and then claim the 1 lakhs of tokens. This is the process you need to do. I will explain step by step. Okay, so first you just join our Telegram channel, link is given in the description. Then you just copy this link here, then you go back to your what we call the Trust wallet, then you have to complete the process there. So then only will get 1 lakhs of Dogecoin freely, Kurgi Dogecoin freely. So guys, as you can see here, this is a link link I given here in my Telegram channel. So once after that you copy this link. Once after that you just go to your Trust wallet. So this is a Trust wallet. Then you just need to click on this dApps option here. So once after that you just come here, there is option called search or enter website URL. Just you need to paste that particular link here. So after that what you need to do is, once after pasting that link, just click on this OK button or right mark, then you will redirect to that website. Then you will have a website like this. Then you need to click on this Ethereum icon here. So before going into the this process, you have to have at least 100 rupees of BNB coin in your Trust wallet. So what I was suggest that you at least keep 1000 rupees of BNB coin in your wallet. Then you will have, then you can what we call claim every free airdrops. So why we need BNB in our wallet means we just need to pay just 20 rupees or 30 rupees of network fee. So that we need BNB for the transaction. That's why I suggest you please just hold 1000 rupees of BNB in your wallet. Then you can easily claim the free tokens whenever I suggest in Telegram channel or in my YouTube channel. So first load your BNB into Trust wallet, then go through this process. Once after that, just need to click on the Ethereum icon here. So after that you just select Smart Chain here, because we are providing fee as a BNB, so that you just need to select the Smart Chain here. So after that now your wallet is connected. Then you need to connect your Kurgi Doge wallet here. So just click on this connect wallet. So after that just join us and claim us. You can see here your wallet is connected here, so that you can join here and claim the tokens here. So once after that you just need to click on this join us and claim. So you will redirect to this payment page. As you can see here, 52 rupees. This is only network fee, and you will not need to pay any of the BNB to this particular airdrop, but you need to pay this network fee, because every transaction needs network fee and gas fee. So that they are asking this network fee. So that I was suggest that you should have a minimum of 100 or 1000 rupees of BNB in your wallet, so that you can continue the every airdrop process. So that please have some BNB in your wallet, so that you will have a you can allow your transaction, then you can have a free tokens in your wallet. So just 52 rupees, just click on this approve button. So after that your 1 lakh coins of Doge Kurgi coin will be claimed here. So that just you paid 52 rupees, then you got 1 lakhs of coins here. So I'll just go back to my wallet and I will show here. So once after that you will get a notification like this: smart contract call executed. That means your coins transaction is get succeeded. So that you will get a notification like this. Once after that go back to your Kurgi Doge So you will have a coins here. When I was to claim this airdrop, it was around 100 rupees of worth. Now it is 529 rupees of worth. As you can see here, its price is 0.00072317. So the price is good actually, because today's more number of NFT tokens have less price, so it's looking very good price actually, because it can be rise at any time. So you will have if you have 1 lakhs of coin, then you can have a very huge profit in the future. Just pay 50 rupees. This is not a big amount for you guys, so you can have a 1 lakhs of coin with the 50 rupees. Just go and pay the 50 rupees and have 1 lakhs of coins in your wallet. So as you can see here, 7 lakhs 31,000 coins in my wallet. So this is how I earn from the Dogecoin. So I'll explain some other process in this particular Kurg Dogecoin. Not only by registering you get 1 lakh of coins, there is a referral program also there in this Kurgi Doge program. So I'll just explain. I'll just go my trust wallet. So as you can see here, if you not have this Kurgi Doge coin in your main page, then go and add this coin here. So just click on this just click on this icon here. So you can have this token here. You just search here Kurgi Doge. So you will have a option called Kurgi Doge coin here. So just enable it, then you will have this coin in the front page, so that you can see your coins, whatever coins you have and whatever the amount you have. So that I'll just go to that website. So Kurgi Doge, as you can see here, this is a website. So I'll just connect my website wallet. So as you can see here, I have got 1 lakh of coins. So this is a program, the airdrop. That means they are advertising their coins, so people have to know that. So that's why the airdrop was given. Airdrop means free tokens distributed among the members in order to know the coin is exist. So they are giving them as these coins as a advertise purpose. So airdrop and referral program, as you can see here, first, as I told before, you can get 1 lakhs of coin by registering to this website. By paying network fee of 50 rupees, you will get 1 lakh rupees. That's one time settlement, and you will get 1 lakhs of coins. Okay, that's it. Then what we have in this website means we have a referral program here also. You can refer to your friends also by providing your link. Okay, so you will get rewards for that. 4 levels of referral program also there. Total reward is 1000 billions of Kurgi Doge. Total you can earn through this program is 1000 billions of Kurgi Doge. But I'm not sure about that. You will going to be have 1 billions of coins, but I can guarantee you that you can have 1 lakhs of coin by registering to this website. Okay, by paying 50 rupees. So I'll just explain this referral program also. You will get a referral link after registration and connect to your wallet. So you'll have a referral link. Just you can copy this link, and you can share this link to your friends for the registration purpose. Then you will get a Kurgi Doge coins also for the each referral. As you can see here, as I told before, we have 4 levels of referral here. So as you can see here, 4 levels. First level, if you refer your friend directly, then you will have 5,000 of Kurgi Doge coin directly to your wallet. First level. Then second level, if your friend who are referred by you is going to be refer another friend, then you will have a 3,000 coins in your wallet. Then that friend is going to refer another friend, then you will have a 2000 coins. Then fourth level is 1000 coins. You all know that this is a chain process. First person in this line will have a 5000 to your wallet, then second person, this third person, this fourth person. Then you will have if the chain is built like this, then you will have more coins in your wallet. So you can see whatever the amount for those coins earned here. So I have referred nobody till now, so I'm just telling the information to you guys, so you can join and you can refer easily. So I'm suggesting that just register and you will get instant 1 lakh coin rupees, 1 lakhs of coins. So that is not a big matter of paying 50 rupees. You will have as I told before, I was paid 50 rupees and I got just 1 lakh coin rupees. Now it is 500 rupees. So I have enough profit so that you can easily go through the this airdrop. So what you need to do, you have to join our Telegram channel. So why I not given the link in the description means you have to join our Telegram channel, because you will not miss any airdrops. I can't make videos for every airdrop, so I'll just post the things in the Telegram channel. So you just need to pay attention in the Telegram channel also, and so that I'm giving that link in the Telegram channel. So join our Telegram channel and take that link and claim your rewards. Okay, so this is about Kurgi Dogecoin. Just follow us on as well, follow us on Instagram as well as in Telegram channel. You will not going to miss any updates. So this is about Kurgi Doge airdrops. So guys, I will meet in the next video with the next information or next airdrop or next suggestion. So until then, keep earning.